Hi guys, I'm so glad you're here. I just want to go over my expectations for you today. I know that you were able to find this video, therefore you found the folder that we're working on, which is for week 11. Now the expectations for today include the warm-up. This is how I take attendance. Make sure that you complete it. It's the one that looks like a little puzzle, a blue puzzle within the Thursday folder. Also, make sure that you complete that review. It has 27 questions. Some of you are having issues. I think it's only showing you 14 questions. So make sure I'm going to include the document here in this folder with all 27 questions so that in case the CAMI or the assignment didn't work for you, you can open that one and continue working on those questions so that you can study for the test. You will also finish and turn in any annotations from last week for the story Mask of the Red Death. Remember, you had 3 parts that went along with that story and the ed puzzles. Those CAMIs that you worked on, they are a grade for this 6-week grading period. So make sure that you complete them and turn them in. Those assignments were found in the week 10 folder for Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. Get those in right away. Any other missing assignments on Skyward that you see marked with a number 1, you need to turn those in as well by tomorrow because that is the end of the grading period. Having said that, I know that is a lot to try to catch up with, so I have moved the due date for your project up to next Monday. So you will have the weekend to work on that. I want you to focus on studying for the test and any missing assignments. That is your priority right now. Also, I will mention that today I will have a Zoom review at 1 p.m. for anyone interested in joining us. That is to go over the review over the Mask of the Red Death and the vaccinations. So make sure that you log in. That is for anyone, okay? The test will only be open tomorrow until 3 p.m. So make sure that as soon as you wake up, as soon as you can, you take care of it and you do take it. So I believe in you guys. I know you're going to do your best. Good luck on that test. I need to show you something else in our folders. Right quick, once again, make sure that you don't overlook this review for the warm-up. Once you complete that, go ahead and take the warm-up. This is the puzzle piece that I mean. This is how I take attendance. I have moved the mask and the vaccination review to the Thursday folder for your convenience. Also, the 2 stories so that you can continue to work on those. If you are wondering, where can I find your Zoom link, Miss Alanis? Every time that you log into my class in Schoology, you will find the announcement section right here and see how I'm scrolling over my Miss Alanis Zoom link. If you click on that, it will take you directly to my meeting so that way you can join me anytime that is open. Okay? Again, make sure you study, guys. If you plan to be in my review, I will see you at 1 p.m. Get those assignments in, complete all the annotations and the questions for the Mask of the Red Death because they are a grade. And good luck to you all.